This is the elevator at the Waldron Campus Center. I think that's what this is called, at Gannon University, Erie, Pennsylvania. There's a newer Otis Erie one from either the late 90s or early 2000s. The line's burned up, but the aeroport works. This door's a little slow. 2-speed or hospital size. Oh, I got the traction panel. I'm pretty sure this is hydro. Ground, late 90s, install here, go down. You're grounded from the left side. Oh, the chime here works. The chime up there didn't work. This door. This door's slow too. Go up to 3. And turn it up. Not sure what that was. Bounce it. Ooh. Here, 3,000 will just drop. Back down to 1. That's it. 85. It's a basic Otis elevator. If you look under here, there are the key switches. I got 1. 1 I think goes to Old Main. But I don't think it's like the Old Main on my campus where there's a gated Otis modded by Schindler. Probably something more boring. If I were to guess, I think it's been heavily renovated. Unlike mine, it closes, and that's going to be it.